Hello there, welcome to another video by RA Solutions. In this one, what I'm going to do is show you very quickly how to change your privacy settings on your PS5. But before I do continue, please do like, subscribe and share. So I've got my PS5 logged on here. I'm on my RA Solutions account, and the reason I'm showing you this video is I've had a few comments from viewers asking me how to change the privacy settings on their PS5, and I'm going to show you how to do this. It's just to maintain that online security aspect. If you've got family or children under the age of 18 using the same device, it just means nobody can communicate with them, nobody can message them, nobody can add them as friends, so on and so forth. So you're really locking down your PS5. So the first thing you need to do is on the top right hand corner, access or go to the settings option there. So I'm going to use my controller to do this. Go to settings, click on the X button, and I'm in the settings page. Now from the settings page, what you will see is a few options appear. The one you need to change your privacy settings is the fourth one down, which says users and accounts. So I'm going to select that and click on the X button there. What this will do is open up a further page with options, and the one you need is the third one down, which says privacy. So I'm going to scroll down and choose privacy, click on the X button, and it will take me to the right side here where there's a few things I can do. Now the first section gives you a couple of options where you can control how people see you and interact with you. Now think about your own context, your own setting, which people use your PS5. Do you want people to be able to communicate with you, message you, yes, no, or do you want to maintain that online safety? I suggest you do view and customize your privacy settings. So what you do here under view and customize your privacy settings, that's the option I'm going to choose for the purpose of this video. I'm going to click on X and it will take me to the page where I can review my existing privacy settings, and I can also customize my privacy settings. But you can see the first section, my real name and profile picture. The first bit is who can see them in search results. At the moment it's currently set to no one. If I click on the X button, I can choose from no one to anyone, so I'm able, or anybody is able to access my name and profile picture from the search results, or currently nobody can. So that's currently how it's set. The next one is who can see them within games. At the moment I've got it set to no one, but you can change that to close friends. So if you've added somebody as a close friend, they can see me in a game, but at the moment nobody can see me in a game, which is what I want. And the third one is who can see them as a friend suggestion. At the moment I've got no one can see me as a friend suggestion. Again, you can change that to close friend of close friends. And the next one is who can see them in your close friends list of friends, close friends only. And again, I can change that to close friends or of close friends as well, but currently I've maintained it to close friends only. The other section down here is my information, who can see your friends. At the moment I've got that set to no one, but you can change that to either friends only, friend of friends, or anybody. And I can also edit my profile on this option here. I'm not going to show you that, and that's another video, that's self-explanatory. But if you go down here, there's more options where you can change your activity. So at the moment, who can see your online status and what you're currently playing. At the moment I've got that set to friends only. Who can see your gaming history, nobody can see my gaming history. Hide your games from other players. I think if I click on enter on that one, these are the games I've selected. All of them have been hidden and can't be seen by others. So there's a slider there under Minecraft where you can enable, disable, so on and so forth. If I scroll down even more, communication and multiplayer, who can ask to be a friend, I've currently got that set to no one. And who can interact with you through parties, games and messages. At the moment nobody. Players you're blocking, at the moment I've got nobody blocked. If I check it, there's nobody blocked on here. And then if I scroll back down again, get crossplay game invitation. So some games allow that crossplay. So for example, I'm on the PS5, I've got Call of Duty, but I can play with people on Xbox or the PC. So you know, if they are on that console or device, they can send me invitations because I've got that enabled at the moment. I can disable it. I don't allow any game invitations from people with those devices. And again, if you've got the PlayStation app, and if they are sending you messages, you can show read receipts to other players on PS5 and PlayStation app. You can allow that or don't allow that as well. So that's just a very quick video showing you how to change your privacy settings on your PS5. Please do like, subscribe and share.